Your Excellency, Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of the United Republic of Tanzania, government leaders present and all invited ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm honored to join you today to participate in this historic event. Heartfelt congratulations to Your Excellency, President Samia Suluhu Hassan. Your leadership in advancing Tanzania's human capital through education and skills of the young population is truly commendable. Congratulations to all the key stakeholders, including the government officials who are present here to celebrate this momentum occasion. Hongereni sana. Your Excellency, I commend the government's commitment to education exemplified by the recent completion of key reforms that pave the way for brighter future of Tanzanian youth. With the implementation of the revised education and training policy, the phased introduction of the new curricula, Tanzania is taking some really bold steps. The introduction of 10 years of compulsory basic education, the dual stream of secondary education that is both general and vocational education, and the raising of minimum qualifications for teachers, all of that demonstrate a commitment to expand access, ensuring smooth progression and enhancing the quality of education. At the same time, the policy emphasizes the need to build strong foundations to support innovations through science and technology. Your Excellency, the World Bank is committed to a partnership to promote impactful change across the entire education sector. We are happy to be collaborating on initiatives spanning early childhood education, entire basic education, technical and vocational education and training, and higher education. Over the past 5 years, our collaboration has translated in $1.5 billion in support through projects such as Boost, Primary Student Learning Program, SEQUIP, that is Secondary Education Quality Improvement Project, East Africa Skills for Transformation and Regional Integration Project, also known as ESTRIP. We have Zanzibar Improving Quality of Basic Education Project, also known as ZEEC, and of course, HEAT, that is the Higher Education for Economic Transformation. We are now in the process of preparing a new education and skills for productive jobs operation that will equip secondary and post-secondary students with skills and productive jobs. We are dedicated to supporting Tanzania's vision for lifelong learning and cohesive education system. Going forward, together with the support of our development partner community and all the key stakeholders, we look forward to supporting the implementation of the new policy. We must recognize that the challenges ahead of us are really, really large at scale and immense. There's a need for more and better trained teachers. We need easier and more equitable access to learning materials, especially textbooks. We need greater access to schools and improved teaching and learning methods. The use of technology and evidence-based practices are key to achieving impact at scale with an accelerated pace and greater resource efficiency. Your Excellency, your leadership and commitment will remain a key driver in moving forward with this agenda. In closing, I want to emphasize the importance of equipping Tanzania's youth with knowledge and skills that will drive this country's economic and social transformation. Strategic partners with civil society and private sector are vital to achieving this goal. I'm confident that through our collaborative efforts, the World Bank, the government of Tanzania, all of our development partners, teachers, and schools, we will empower young Tanzanians to build a prosperous future. Thank you, Your Excellency, for this opportunity. We wish you continued success in implementing these important reforms. Asante sana na kazi endelee. Thank you.
Tuendelee kuwapongeza kwa makofi mengi wadau wetu wa maendeleo, na hasa katika lile eneo ambalo wote wanaahidi kuendelea kutusaidia kuhakikisha kwamba sera hii inatekelezeka. Makofi tena mengi. Mheshimiwa Rais,